A growing number of publicly traded companies, about 60 with no prior ties to the crypto sector, are adopting the Bitcoin treasury strategy, which was pioneered by Michael Saylor, aimed to boost their share prices by adding digital assets to their balance sheet. While these kind of moves often do send stocks soaring, some industry experts warn that this trend heightens market risk by potentially triggering rapid sell offs during the downturns, especially for companies that finance their purchases with debt. Recent announcements show that companies are investing not only in Bitcoin but also in Ether, Solana, and XRP, collectively deploying over 11.3 billion since April. Notable cases include Trump Media and Technology Group and the World Liberty Financial, which are also fueling interest thanks to the strong political backing from the current administration. Analysts caution that without established crypto expertise or solid flywheel to support continuous investments, many of these companies could face steep losses if the crypto prices dip significantly. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. In this video, we wanted to share with you a Wall Street Journal article which talks about the corporate Bitcoin binge. And the essence of the article is that are the companies which are going on this binge, quoting disaster. Let's dive into the details. A new wave of companies, about 60 with no previous ties to crypto, are diving into the so-called Bitcoin treasury strategy, hoping to supercharge their share prices by adding digital assets to their balance sheets. The strategy, which was popularized by Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy fame, has turned into corporate fad that is raising eyebrows across the financial world. Let's talk about what actually is happening. These companies, which span industries from software and healthcare to marketing and beyond, they're not just buying Bitcoin but also Ether, Solana, and XRP. And since April alone, more than 11 billion has been earmarked for this strategy. Even companies linked to President Trump, such as the Trump Media and Technology Group, are getting involved, fueling political momentum behind the crypto. So, why does this all matter? While the initial share price pop is tempting, many of the industry insiders warn that this could set a stage for significant volatility. If Bitcoin or other tokens fall sharply, the sell off could cascade, especially amongst the companies that finance the purchases with debt. And let's not forget, for many of these companies, their core businesses have little or nothing to do with digital assets. Let's also talk about the lessons from history. We have seen this before during the tech bubble, during the real estate booms, and during speculative frenzies. When the hype fades and the cycle turns, the damage can be widespread and severe. So, what's the takeaway out here? For investors and the executives alike, it is worth asking, is this a genuine strategic pivot or just a short term stock boosting gimmick? Does the company have the operational resilience and expertise to weather crypto's wild swings? Are the share price gains sustainable or just another bubble waiting to pop? Now, in closing, we'd like to say that as more and more companies rush to embrace crypto, it is a reminder that while the digital assets do hold promise, measured risk management matters more than ever at this particular point. Now, that's what we wanted to share with you in this particular video. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Do stay tuned in for more. Thank you.